This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jeana Velasquez. This spacious 3-bedroom plus den with separate laundry room and oversized 1-car garage is located in a small community. Garden Patio Villa II has a community pool area. All ages with no pet restrictions, size no aggressive breed. Perfect for families with fruit tress around common area. Fast approval. Large master bedroom with plenty of room for king-size bed with walk-in closet. All new appliances and air conditioner 5 years old. For more information, review the details below or contact Jeana Velasquez at 954-652-8823.